Hi there, hope you're doing well. This short video will be on PDF Generator API and how we can generate a PDF from this using API calls. So let's get started. Okay, initially this is the PDFGeneratorAPI.com. Just sign in or sign up and then open this profile. Okay, it will take a second in loading. So after this is open, you will have some options that you can use. Like in the settings, you will have keys, API keys that you can use, and JWT token that you can generate at the moment. And then you'll have this different kind of apps inside of it, maybe the documents. So you can create one of these as well, and later on you can use them in the API call. Okay, finally it's loading. Okay, so let's just wait a little for this. And then we have the other things like this called setup, how we are going to set this up. So for this, first what we can do is like go to settings, and in the settings part we will find some settings related to this account, and it will has like API key, secret key, and this create temporary JWT that you will just create and copy right away and use it in the project. And if you want to create a longer key, so for that you will have to use this API key and secret and create a JWT for a validation of up to 99 years, so that this runs for you for like unlimited time. That's not a secure way, but this is one way that you can create a JWT that is permanent. This one is a temporary, so you can just create and copy and use it right away. Then let's go to the template part, and in the template you will see all these options. By default you will have some of these, so you can just create a new template from over here. And also this is the ID part. You can copy this ID and use it in the API call. Keep in mind this ID part. Let's just create a new template. Skip this. Okay, so it's here, and when it's generated, just click the text, make it here, make it to the center, and just do something like this, and inside the raw value make it title. So this is the title. Then we will have another text starting from here and make it the description. And also we can add image over here as well. Just drag an image and scale it up based on your needs. And after this is scaled up, you can just okay, so we have this. Let's just drag it to the center and keep it here. Okay, so we have title and description, and let's save it as well. Okay, I mentioned about the template ID part, so this is the ID. You can copy it from over here as well. Copy this, and also the other thing is in the settings you will have this create JWT. Copy this as well. And also another thing is this API page. So for this you will have to go to this API documentation, and in the documentation what you will see is this API v4, and in the API v4 you will have to search for get document option in it. So this is the documents, and we have this get document, also this generate document. So this generate document is the one that we will be using, and if I click on this gives me this URL for the generate, and also this JSON that I can copy and paste and use it for myself. Okay, so let's start from over here. Let's start with the add another call and make it PDF generator API test, type post, and this one copy it, and after copying it, this is JSON, this is header. So let's just copy this part first. Okay, make this part dynamic, and also these fields, so change them, like this one was title and this one was description. Remove the rest, or just okay, for now let's just remove it. Okay, so for the rest of it is fine. We can also make the file name dynamic as well, like this one, and some other things are authorization that we will be adding here. Okay, so and copy your settings, create JWT from here, paste it here, and copy also the template ID from over here. This is the one, copy, and let's just paste it inside the template ID. You can uncheck the private part for this. So I think the rest of it is fine. Let's just initialize and test. Okay, so I got something. Let's just check it out. Okay, so this is the kind of response in the form of a different value. Let's just make it a URL. So to make it URL, let's see if there is anything in the API. Okay, so if I see here, I have already set up some other calls, and this says format is equal to PDF, output is equal to URL, and that's it. File name can be anything, you can make it dynamic. So I'll make these adjustments, and output is equal to URL, and name is equal to invoice, or make it anything. So now it's okay enough. And yeah, for the title part and for the description part, okay, so I think I'm done right now. And okay, let's initialize this call now. There's something wrong with the JSON, so I think I'm doing something wrong here. Let me have a quick check. Alright, so let's just call it again. Okay, so if I see here now, it's given me a response in the URL format. I can just copy, and after copying it, I can paste it right here and load the page, and it will give me a file with a test title and the test description and this image by default that I've set in it. So let's go back to the template and see right here, it's the title. Let's just add some formatting, make it okay. I think for now it's good enough. Let's just generate another one. Check it again, copy the URL, save it, paste it, and okay, I haven't saved it, so I'll have to save it first. Okay, let's regenerate. I forgot saving this part, that's why I have to copy it one more time, check it again. And here we have test title and test description. Right here we can add more adjustment and design things as well, but this is just a basic version that we are going to make in it. Okay, so after this whole thing is set up, let's just make it dynamic from the bubble front end. So for this, let's create some design and other things on the page, and let's start with the title. A simple input will work for title. Okay, and then we have this other thing, description. So let's just add the description part over here, and we can have a long text here in the detail. Okay, so I think most of this is done, and what we can do is like add a button to generate, and view. And after this, let's just click on this button, PDF generator API. It's not here, so let's just check why it's not here. Okay, so I have this PDF generator API test, but it's in the tab data. Let's just make it to action, go back, come here, make it PDF generator API test. Template ID is this one, title is this one, description is this one. So let's just make it dynamic. The title part is input, title here, and the description part we have is this one, and open a URL. Okay, so this will be result from step 1, response. Let's just check it one more time what we have in the response to be sure. Okay, meta string in this. Okay, so this is response. Save it. Let's just check its response. Yep, it's response. Open in new tab, and I think this is it for now. Let's just open the page. Okay, so my PDF generation journey. Okay, so this document is about my Okay, so after this is done, just click this generate and view. And here we have my PDF generation journey. This document is about my PDF generation journey using API call. The image is by default here. So we can set this up our ways and adjust logo over here, title over here, make different boxes over here with dynamic kind of data. What this will do is take this data or any data if you have in the database, and you can generate any kind of PDF anytime you want. Just click on this and you will get your PDF file, and I will be showing you a beautiful version in a while. So just stay here and check that out as well, and I will also explain a little bit of how you can make this as well. Okay. Alright, so I made a little bit at design adjustment in this template, and now it's something like this. Let's just test it out once again. Okay, expired JWT. Let's just generate one more JWT here. Copy and in the project. Okay, now this should work. And here we have this. You can see now. We can reload and check again. It's the same file. We can download this file from over here, and we can do a lot of things with this. So this is how we generate a PDF file using bubble.io and the PDF generator API. Thanks for watching this video. Have a good day. Bye.